Good morning mga padaba! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, this is VG, your Bicolana food blogger. And I will show you how to cook pork binagoongan Bicol version. And here are ingredients. Kalahating kilo ng baboy or pork belly. Fresh coconut milk. Meron tayo ng una at pangalawang gata, shrimp bagoong, sibuyas at bawang. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang sili, ang siyang magpapaanghang sa ating pork binagoongan. Our pork binagoongan is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you!